There it is, sprocket mounted on the PMA. Bought myself a 1 1/4 inch set screw from local Hayes hardware store, 5/16 by 18. I did go ahead and clean bore drill that set screw hole. What I did was, before I mounted the sprocket, I just took the, because I don't have video of that, what I did when I drilled it out. I took the sprocket holder here and mounted it on the end of that jack shaft right there, and just had the end sticking out over the edge because it was a snug fit, and then stuck the jack shaft in the V-block. Perfect. And there's the V-block still sitting in the drill, on the drill press table. So I just, set the jack shaft right in there with the sprocket holder hanging off the edge. Clean bore drilled the hole with a 5/16 bit. Worked out good. Then I got the set screw, like I said, from Ace Hardware, and it just drops through the sprocket holder cleanly, and then screws into the shaft, stainless steel shaft, which is not threaded over here, by the way. And then perfect. There it is. All mounted on there, ready to roll. Turns and everything. So now, and it's a snug fit because of the time that I took to put the steel tube in there after I drilled out the right diameter and everything. So that's making it all nice snug fit, so nothing sloppy here. And thanks to Zuza for helping us out with the sprocket and the sprocket holder. So we want to thank them and give them a little plug here in the video for helping us out with that. And so we're using the Zuza sprocket and their sprocket holder, which this is a new sprocket holder for them. It's maybe a year or two old, I think, out of one of their catalogs, for 3/4 inch. So that was really nice. That's something kind of new that they came out with not too long ago. And as you can see, it's working good, man. That's working perfect. And that sprocket, I think, is a 38 tooth sprocket that we got from them. Yeah, 38 tooth sprocket with a 3/8 pitch, or let's see, they're calling that not 40 chain, but God, what is that called? 35 chain. Yes, 35 chain goes on this. So just for you guys who may be looking to duplicate this project, just remember this project's on 35 chain profile, right? Not 40. So so there it is. Windblue PMA. Okay. And with a sprocket mounted. And I haven't seen anybody else mount a sprocket on one of these. So I looked high and low on YouTube. Everybody's using pulleys, and that just wasn't going to work for me. So I'm not saying I'm the first one to do it, but I haven't seen too many other people doing it. So, and no need to put the nut back on here, the jam nut back on there, because, well, it's all snug with a set screw. So it's all good. Okay, just want to show that. Next, I'm going to start mocking up the chain tensioners, those two bad boys, somewhere down in here, one on that side and one on that side somewhere, probably over here actually. And once I get that mocked up, then I got to tear this all down, drill out the plates for the mounting holes, and then finally we can run some chain and get the video of the gearbox actually running the PMA with some chain. Okay, thanks for hanging with me. Later.